In this video, I'll guide you through how to make Jotform cards step by step from a completely blank starting point. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to the right place in Jotform and set up a new card style form ready for you to customize with your own questions and branding. Let's start right at the beginning. First, open your web browser and go to jotform.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser window. If you already have a Jotform account, go ahead and log in using your usual details. If you're new to Jotform, you'll need to sign up for an account before you can create any forms. The sign up process is straightforward, and once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Jotform dashboard. From your dashboard, look for the option to create something new. You should see a button labeled Create. This is where you'll start any new project in Jotform, including card forms. Click that Create button. Taking a moment to find and use this button is important because it gives you access to all the different types of forms and layouts Jotform offers. After you click Create, Jotform will show you a few different options for what you want to build. Here, you'll want to look specifically for the option labeled Form. This tells Jotform that you want to make a standard form rather than something like an app or a table. Click on Form to move to the next step. Once you've chosen to create a form, Jotform will ask how you'd like to get started. You might see options like using a template, importing a form, or creating one from scratch. For this tutorial, we're focusing on building your own design from the ground up, so choose the option that says Create from Scratch. Clicking this means you'll start with a completely blank canvas with no pre-filled questions or layout. That's useful if you have a specific structure in mind, or if you just want full control over how everything looks and flows. After you select Create from Scratch, Jotform will ask you what kind of layout you want to use. This is where you'll choose the card style format. Cards in Jotform show one question per page, which can make forms feel more interactive and less overwhelming for people filling them out. Look for the option that says Card Form and click it. This tells Jotform to use the card layout instead of the classic long scrolling form. As soon as you click Card Form, Jotform will generate a new card-based form for you. You'll usually see a simple starting question or a blank card depending on the current interface. From here, you can start adding your own questions, changing the design, and adjusting settings like colors, fonts, and form behavior. While we're not covering customization in this tutorial, you're now in the right place to do all of that. So to recap the flow you'll be using, go to jotform.com and log in, click Create from your dashboard, choose Form, select Create from Scratch, and then pick Card Form. Following those steps will reliably bring you to a fresh Jotform card form that you can shape however you like.